Welcome to our latest review of the best wood routers available on Amazon. If you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional woodworker, you know how important it is to have the right tools for your projects. Whether you're looking for a router that offers precision, power, or durability, we've got you covered. Today, we'll be diving deep into 5 of the top routers that are perfect for woodworking tasks, such as edge profiling, trimming, and creating intricate designs. But before we start, make sure to check the description box below for direct links to all the products we'll be reviewing. And don't forget to check the first comment for more details and up-to-date prices. We'll help you choose the best tool for your specific needs, so stay tuned. And if you enjoy the video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews and tips. From the precision of the Festool of 1400 EQF Plus, to the powerful performance of Bosch's 2.25 HP router, and the versatility of Milwaukee's Mateen Fuel router. We're covering everything you need to know about these tools. We'll also look at the Skil 14 amp combo router, perfect for both fixed and plunge bases, and the Masterforce 1.25 HP compact router, a lightweight option that still delivers solid performance. Each product will be reviewed in depth, highlighting the features that set them apart from others on the market. Ready to find the perfect wood router for your next project? Stick with us and let's dive into these top wood routers to help you make the right choice. Festool router of 1400 EQ Fest Plus. Let's kick things off with the Festool router of 1400 EQ Fest Plus. A premium choice known for its superior precision and reliability. This router is designed for professional woodworkers who need a tool that can handle complex routing tasks with ease. With a 1400-watt motor and a precise depth adjustment system, this router offers perfect control every time. One of the key highlights is the Fast Fix system, which allows for quick and tool-free bit changes, saving you time and hassle during your projects. Additionally, the dust extraction system ensures that your workspace stays clean, which is always a bonus in woodworking. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during long hours of use, and the robust build ensures this router will last for many years to come. That's it for today. Until next time, learn to build stronger and build stronger. Whether you're working on edge profiles or detail trim work, the Festool of 1400 EQ F Plus delivers exceptional performance. If you're after precision and longevity, this is a fantastic option. Check the link in the description to grab yours at the best price. Bosch 2.25 HP fixed base router. Next up is the Bosch 2.25 HP fixed base router, an ideal option for both beginners and seasoned professionals. With the powerful 2.25 HP motor, this router is capable of handling a wide variety of tasks. It also features precision centering design, which makes it easy to align your cuts, ensuring that your routing is always accurate. The soft start technology makes it incredibly user-friendly by reducing startup torque, allowing for smoother operation. You'll also appreciate the variable speed dial, which lets you adjust the speed based on the material you're working with. Whether you're trimming edges or creating fine detailing, this router offers impressive control, and its affordability makes it one of the best values for your money. The Bosch 2.25 HP fixed base router is a great all-round tool that offers power, precision, and great performance for any woodworking project. Milwaukee Mateen Fuel 1/2-inch router, 2838. If you're looking for a cordless option, the Milwaukee Mateen Fuel 1/2-inch router, 2838, is an excellent choice. Powered by Mateen Fuel TM technology, this router delivers maximum performance without the need for cords. The brushless motor provides longer tool life and more efficient operation, giving you smooth, powerful routing every time. It's perfect for woodworkers who need flexibility and mobility on the job site, as it's lightweight and easy to maneuver. The variable speed dial gives you complete control, whether you're working with hardwood or softwood. With a runtime that ensures you can complete most projects without interruptions, this router is a top pick for anyone needing both power and portability in a router. Skil 14 amp fixed base/plunge base router combo RT Tone 00A. Next up is the Skil 14 amp fixed base/plunge base router combo RT Tone 00A, an amazing value that offers 2 routers in one package. This combo kit includes both a fixed base and plunge base, so you can tackle a wider range of projects from edge routing to more intricate plunge cuts. The 14-amp motor provides ample power for almost any task, and the variable speed dial allows for easy speed adjustments. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, and the lightweight body makes it easy to handle. If you're just starting out with woodworking or need a versatile router combo, the Skil R2 32200A is perfect for you. It's affordable yet powerful, and it's a must-have for any serious DIYer or professional. Masterforce 1.25 HP Compact Router ERM 1.6. Finally, we have the Masterforce 1.25 HP Compact Router ERM 1.6, a fantastic option for anyone who needs a lightweight, portable tool that still packs a punch. With a 1.25 HP motor, this router is powerful enough for most small to medium tasks, like edge routing, trimming, and pattern work. The adjustable depth control makes it easy to set up and use, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort during long hours of use. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, making it ideal for smaller projects. If you need a reliable, no-fuss router at an affordable price, the Masterforce 1.25 HP Compact Router is a great choice. And that wraps up our review of the best wood routers on Amazon. From the precision of the Festool of 1400 EQF+, to the power of the Bosch 2.25 HP fixed base router, and the portability of the Milwaukee Maton Fuel router, there is something here for every woodworker. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, these routers will help you achieve perfect results every time. Don't forget to check out the description box below for direct links to the products and the best prices. Leave us a comment if you have any questions, or if there's a router you're thinking about that we didn't cover. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.